Ka Skul Secondary School, ka wenig Skul ke badan hapo namun song, mentaka sengi ka khasau tarik unai wing arajak rafulai kala rakhe ya ke jing dap lai fu asnam ke jongka. Akan ka sengi la pelong ru ya ke jing rakhe kum ka Children's Day kan ka sengi jongki Khynnah. Uba Sngiawbhalang Dhar ubalong u menteri rang ba sembut jong ke jalan Mekhlea ulalong ukongsan, buat u pesing ubalong u second in command jong ke besaf mopat ulalong ukongsan sembut. Hakabala dalang ru u Father Pascal Lingdo ubalong parish priest jong ke St. Joseph nong mensong. Hari ni kejing rakhia layo ya kejing ruai ni ki Khynnah Skul ki bahaya bat kamjur ki beret bat kamjuru kejing syat kejing ruai bat kuih di ki cultural program ki bat penfu penfing ya kani kejing rakhia. Hakan dikasih ke Skul kalapan ke boram ru ya unishan taluk dar ubawan hakanan ke bakhanyo haka exam SSLC menta ke snem wat kamjuru yo samlawan bor lang wan sai ubaliyo ya ke jingkhain ni ke matematik sispa na ke sispa haka result juga exam SSLC ke balong mata snem arajar arpula.
Nishan's journey is an inspiration to all, and his achievements are not only brought pride.
Nakalang Khynnah Skul ru kin ayi ke group dance ke bratem da ke jing ruai niam. Abakran hakan deka jalang kabla donlang ru ki principal lagi Skul bidan pot nomosong nang tau rong ba snong jokan nomosong ba pi ba yang bat ki kwe dikirang ba. Uba Sngiawbhalang Dhar ula ong ba ka Skul senjol ka dibigi Skul ki ba paunam hanong ba shalong wala da katang kejaka ka ba kendong ru ba ka Skul kadang rit ka compound ba kamjuru ka pada bun e ki Khynnah Skul. Kumu politician uba Sngiawbhalang Dhar ula ong ba Khynnah Skul kim de banting ya ka politics ni di kiban I ya ka Pakai ban long rukum kita kini ngelam nam takalawai jong cai benri.
I remember when I was in school life, Children's Days, Independence Days, Republic Days is the most joyous days as a student. But one thing I should say is that I feel shy to say, I'm the chief guest. To these two supplementals to our most excellent student. But anyway, I feel proud. To score even 95-97% is not a joke. And just imagine it, to get 100%. It's really marvelous to all of us. I wish them all the best, especially these 2-star of the school from the school, and also to all the students of the school. Please follow their footsteps. You see, there is a saying in our school life. If we put negative in front, we always face the negative result. If we put the positive in front, we always face the positive result. And that is why the word of wisdom says that the word impossible is not there in the leader dictionaries. You are the future leaders of the state of Meghalaya and the country as well. So I'm very, very excited today here. This school I have known long time, which has more than 800 students within small compound. I really appreciate Mr. Principal. And every year you have arranged, you have formed all types of activities, sport and parent days and school important functions. This is one of the best activities in the school which encourage the student. Yes, that's why we always used to say that the quantity does not matter. It's the quality who matters. The quality who matters. We are very rare to have such equality in the state and the country as well. You see, as a politician, sometimes we used to accept everything as a politician, as a political leader. Today we may receive a bad news. Tomorrow we may receive a good news. That is the leader life. That is leader lives. But I request that so many of you maybe don't like politics. But please like it. Because sometimes we politicians, we used to smile in front of others, which is not genuine. You know why? Just to please others, mean to adjust the situation. To adjust the situation. So therefore, student is the powerful response of the country as a whole. All of us are aware that education is the only tools who can change the whole world. So therefore I request the student, the teachers to be serious in the duties that you have performed. Because while I represent from a rural constituency, there is a feeling, I can say that it's a human psychology. The students from the rural side always think that we want to go to city, to town for study. Why? They want to attain higher educations. But the reality is that does not based on city, on town and rural, based on your own performance. Who expect that St. George School to get such a student who got 100 out of 100? And to be in the list of the rank. So which gives us a great excitement, especially a prop of the school. So therefore I have seen by experience so many schools from the rural and from the corner part of the country, from the country and from the state, they always get a good student, the extraordinary student. So it seems St. George School is one of the best schools. Maybe it's small in size, maybe it's squeezed in number, maybe not up to the mark as per the quality, maybe not up to the mark as we expected, but we want reality. So now today we have witnessed that the reality of the quality of students from this school is really marvelous to all of us.